Okay, the direction there, you're going to read the story carefully, then answer the comprehension check. Then you're going to encircle or write the letter of the correct answer afterwards. This is the story. Aisha, what happened? Listen very carefully about the story. Pablo's vacation. Pablo was spending his vacation with his grandmother in the province. Do not ever dare climb that big duha tree over there, his grandmother warned him. Your father fell from it when he was a boy. We thought he would never leave. How we cried then. I'll remember that, grandmother, answered Pablo. But Pablo was Pablo. He reasoned out to himself. Juan is Juan and Pedro is Pedro. What happened to Juan is not bound to happen to Pedro. After saying this, Pablo climbed the old duha tree. He didn't know that the duha tree was brittle branches until the one he was holding on broke. So in that scenario, in that situation, in that short selection, let us answer this. Okay, the first one. What do you think will happen to Pablo after disobeying and ignoring his grandmother's warning? So let us read. Letter A, go. Pablo? Pablo will fall to the ground. B? Pablo will climb higher and higher. Letter C? Pablo will jump from the duha tree. Letter D? Pablo will gather plenty of duha fruit. So what will be your answer? So it should be letter A. Good. Pablo will fall to the ground because he was able to hold on the brittle branch. Okay, the next question. What do you think will be the reaction of Pablo's grandmother after seeing him climb the tree? Let us read this one, the choices. Letter A. She will join him. B. She will become happy. C. She will order him to come down from the tree. D. She will tell his mom about how. So what do you think is the answer here? Is the correct answer? Letter C or D? D. Who says D? Who says C? Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Next. Question number 3. What do you think will Pablo do on his entire vacation? A. He will climb the tree again. B. He will go back to his hometown. C. He will play with other kids and will not climb the tree again. And letter D. He will spend his entire vacation crying at his grandma's house. What do you think will be the correct answer? C. Okay, correct answer is letter C. Yes. So, now there are many scenarios there that you're going to have. The first scenario, let us read the first scenario here. During a school field trip to the zoo, Sophia and Liam spot a mischievous monkey swinging from tree to tree in the private exhibit. The monkey seems to be eyeing the banana stalk in Sophia's backpack. Much to her amusement and Liam's concern, what event is most likely to occur next? What will happen next when the monkey saw the bananas on Sophia's bag, inside the bag of Sophia? What will happen next? Yeah. Okay, good. Very good. Clap your hands for her answer. The monkey might grab Sophia's bag because there are bananas inside. Okay? The next one. The next scenario. During a craft session, Olivia and Ethan are making friendship bracelet for each other. As they weave colorful threads together, they discuss their favorite colors and designs, sharing stories of friendship and laughter. As they weave colorful threads together, sabi nga, they discuss their favorite colors. As we said, so what do you think? What event is most likely to occur next? Sa palagay nyo, what will happen next? They make their own what? Friendship bracelet with different colors, with different designs. They discuss their friendship together. And after that, what will happen? What do you think will happen? They finish their bracelet. After finishing the bracelet, what will happen? They will exchange. Very good. Again, they will up. Stand up. They will exchange the friendship bracelet to its other. Yes, very good. The next one. The next one. In this classroom, Lily and Max are looking out the window during English class. They notice that the dark clouds gather in the sky and a few raindrops start to fall. So, what event is mostly like to happen? What will be the next one? Dark clouds and rain. It will what? It will? Yes. Okay, it will rain. Very good. The rain will come soon. Ay, kasi may raindrops na. So it means to say, it will rain because of the clouds and everything. Okay?